Solar PV, or photovoltaic technology, is revolutionizing the way we power our world. Harnessing the sun's energy, it offers countless benefits that contribute to a more sustainable future. One of the key advantages of solar PV is its ability to produce clean and renewable energy. Unlike fossil fuel power plants, it doesn't emit harmful greenhouse gases or contribute to air pollution. Solar energy helps to combat climate change and reduce our carbon footprint. Solar PV also offers energy independence. By generating electricity on site, individuals and businesses can reduce their reliance on the grid. This allows for greater control over energy costs and increased resilience during power outages. In addition to environmental benefits, solar PV can also save you money. Once installed, solar panels can produce electricity for decades, significantly reducing your monthly electricity bills. It's a sound investment that pays for itself over time. Another advantage of solar PV is its versatility. It can be installed on rooftops, in gardens, or on large ground-mounted arrays. It's accessible to both residential and commercial properties, from homes to offices and even industrial facilities. Moreover, solar PV systems are compatible with net metering. This means that when your solar panels produce more electricity than you need, the excess can be sent back to the grid and credited to your account. It's a win-win situation, both financially and environmentally. Solar PV also provides job opportunities. The growing demand for solar panels has created a significant number of green jobs in manufacturing, installation, and maintenance. This benefits local economies and promotes sustainable economic growth. By embracing solar PV, we can embrace a cleaner and healthier future for ourselves and generations to come. Let's tap into the power of the sun and create a more sustainable world.